I definitely didn't expect to make the amount of appearances that I did, and especially in the big games like the Glasgow City, Rangers, Hibs, getting to start those games, and like the one at Celtic Park. I never expected to just walk onto that field and play.
A séuigh aineisteach an a chiadscipa ag Celtic an Théasan sa Chai. Tron Staura chud Chloe Warrington a Hanig Tronan Academy, enyam the Cúnat College the club.
I was delighted because obviously I'd worked for it for the previous year. I was only on an amateur contract, so I was absolutely delighted to sign the pro contract. I actually got scouted when I was in primary 3 at one of the coaches was in our school, in my primary school, and I've been at Celtic now 10 years, so I've not left, not went to another club, not come back, been there right through the academy, came through with like David Haley and things like that, so I've been at the academy and then just progressed into the first team. I aspired to play professional football, so when I was coming through the academy, you know your expectations of the squad, and you always used to see the women's squad. Sometimes you'd be on half a pitch up at Lennoxtown and you'd see them training, and you always wanted to be there. Like that's what I was in the academy team for, and that's exactly why I played football, because I did want to sign that professional contract and be one of those girls in that team. We're in 6 days a week, including our game days, so we're in the gym and we're on the pitch and we're with each other for a good 5-6 hours a day. So that grows bond within the team as well. But we are training a lot more and spending breakfast and lunch with each other. I mean, it's a good laugh. I'm a Celtic fan, so it makes it a lot more enjoyable when we're in every day and we get to go in the stadium and have a lunch and things like that. That's a wee girl's dream coming true. So it was my dream, and thankfully I've managed to achieve that.
Glach an chluiche rock an corm trainee sa vinach College the chiadscipa, nu the Hanig manager, Fran Alonso, isteach an a griach.
David Haley, who's the assistant now with Fran, he was my coach, and he gave me the opportunity to go and train with the first team, and it was a clean slate for everybody when Fran came in, so I just managed to work hard and put myself out there for Fran to notice me, especially when everybody was on a clean slate and there was nobody who knew Fran better than any of the other girls. I can remember my first training session. It was in Lennoxtown, and Fran came in, he had a meeting, and then we all went out to the pitch, so it was a wee bit nerve-wracking. But I think as soon as I got on that pitch, the nerves went, and I just managed to play football just quite confidently and things. I was happy. So when you're happy, it makes things a lot easier. I did work hard as soon as I got there. I didn't want to feel like I was an academy player and I was going to look like an academy player. I wanted to look like and fit in with the girls that were there. So it came with hard work and the things that Fran's taught us and things like that. I've enjoyed every minute of it so far. The defence that we've got, the group of girls, they're all quite close knitted, and Jodie and Craigie have taught me a lot during my time, and I look up to the girls like that. Like, they've played at high levels and they've pulled me through sometimes, and vice versa. I mean, I might be younger, but I like to support the girls as well, especially with Craigie, Kelly and Jodie and Caitlin. They do help me a lot, but vice versa, I like to help them. I think every single one of us would put our body on the line last season, especially in some of the games, especially like Rangers, and we could have been defending for 90 minutes, but if the girls at the back never done what they've done, we wouldn't be able to score those goals up top either. And Caitlin Hayes, she'll put her head on absolutely everything. Honestly, it's like a brick wall. So we all fight for each other and we all trust each other that we'll put our body on the line. And as the back five, including the goalkeeper, every single one of us have got trust in each other to go and do that.
Le pandemic is figurdul, imil glasach slui agus a hula rialch COVID and nature zon kit cliche ein. Ha buring season as anasiche via Chloe, so he had bliana gus a league.
I think I'm looking forward to just getting a season underway and hopefully it being a season, touch wood, without any stop-start. So I'm just looking forward to it being hopefully a normal season, and having the cups back is always more exciting as well, because that's more silverware that you can go for. more appearances. I mean, I'm a full-back, so it's not very many. I don't score very many goals, but potentially get on the score sheet there, here or there. And as a full-back, you don't want to concede any goals, and none of the defence do. So I do have goals and expectations of myself that I'd like to achieve. So hopefully I can make sure by the end of the season that I've achieved them and have a successful season. I mean, I always put pressure on myself to perform, and I don't take it any differently from being on an amateur contract to being on a professional contract. I'll always work hard, and I'll always put myself out there to be selected for the starting 11. I mean, whether I was amateur or professional, I just like to go out and play my football, and it's a status that's put on you, and you do have high expectations, but when you work hard and you're dedicated, then it just comes natural to you.